Hey guys,
Hey guys.
Happy 4th of July. All right, so it's Yoange, Coffee Joe, and what we're gonna do today is we're going to scout out where we're gonna see the fireworks. Now, they moved the fireworks. Usually the fireworks are usually on the lower end of the island, and you could see it all along from like the Brooklyn Promenade, from the Lower East Side, all along the east. Yeah, the Battery and all of that, because almost always, if you remember, like when you would watch them online or, you know, on TV and stuff like that, you always would see like the Statue of Liberty,
yes,
right?
Exactly.
So now they've moved them. They're farther upstream on the East River still. Ooh, that was a bump. But anyway, so now we have to scout out the location because I really want to be on like Queens area, like Long Island City, but they've closed out Hunters Point Park, which is a huge park, and that's only for broadcasting, which means NBC, ABC, all of those stations get to have prime location, and it's not open to the public. So what we'll be doing is going over there. There is a state park over there that we can Gantry State Park. So we're gonna head over there. I know it's like noon. And it's because what's going to happen is the police are going to shut the park down when it fills.
And they're going to shut the bridges and the FDR down too. Yeah,
that's going to get shut down maybe like around 6 or 7 o'clock. Yeah. Public transit, like subways and stuff, I don't know. They're probably going to be running very limited to different areas. They're trying to push people more to see the fireworks on the east side. So,
which is Manhattan side.
Yeah, which is Manhattan. I mean the west side, which is on the Manhattan side, on the east side of the Manhattan. Which isn't the best.
Well, I think
you could see the fireworks, but you don't have the background of Manhattan with all the buildings and everything and the beautiful scenes and the bridges. So, because I care about my viewers so much, because we love you all, we are going to be going out there early. Like early. I know, Joe's like thick. We're taking the car just so we have a vehicle on that side in case it gets crazy harried. We can go and do something. Because if I take public transit with our bags and everything, we'll be lugging at stuff all over the place forever and be exhausted. And I don't want to be exhausted. We're gonna have to be doing a lot anyway. But we want to be as efficient as possible.
Coffee location.
Oh my God. Already, guys. Okay, guys, we found a parking spot. I can't believe it. We're gonna have to walk a little bit, which is totally understandable. And this is the funny thing is, just so you know, when we came down here and we were driving on this road, I said, I think we have to find a parking spot right about now. And it was literally at this spot. There's a Trader Joe's, and I'm like, we're gonna have to find a spot here. We're gonna have to walk a number of blocks. Okay, he's like, I think we need to try to get closer. I'm like, there's no way, because then you're gonna be stuck in it. Guess what? None. Totally taken. Guess where we are? Exactly where I said we would be.
Could have been a better spot.
This is the best spot. He needs to listen to the parking angel. He needs to remember who's the parking angel. All right. So now we get to walk a little bit. We're gonna stop in Trader Joe's to get some maybe to drink.
No line, that's weird.
No, they're open. There's a guy out there with a cart.
Yeah, they were going by with a huge line.
I don't know. Ooh. Hello.
I'm sure you have some parts dragging off your car.
I know, guy was dragging who knows what at the bottom. He forgot the monkey mat. Now he's got to go walk back to the car. Thank God we forgot about it. Remembered that we forgot about it. Now, this is all the behind the scenes before the live stream tonight. Crazy. It's a little insane that I'm already seeing people trying to get their position out here. It is really crazy. Look at right underneath the PepsiCo sign. We made it to the waterfront. Joe! Look, honey, we could have space.
Oh, I can meet up right there.
We always could just do our big seats here. We could sit here for a moment. There's Joe. We actually found better spots. They're lounges that they have installed out here. So I got mine. I got one for Lauren. Joe's got his. We have some space in here. It's basically you end up marking your territory. We're right on the riverfront. That's the UN. Fireworks will be going off right around here. He's gonna play solitaire. I got my dice for Yahtzee. Lauren's showing up in a moment. We have suntan lotion, we have after sun, we have drinks, we have snicky snacks, we have chocolate. The bathrooms are just over there. So we are good. Oh my God, guys, look at how many people are filling the lawn already. It's not even 4 o'clock. Not even 4 o'clock yet. We're on our little lounge chairs here. Hang on, I'll let you guys see. There's Joey. He's playing solitaire. There's mine. There's Lauren. And Joe just waves. This is Joe sunning himself, fully clothed. Oh, you're gonna pull John Candy? Look at his arm, Lauren. He's gonna pull John Candy. Look, he's gonna tan his undersides of his arms. He's so white. Oh my God, people, look it's filling up even more. Before you know it, they're gonna be sitting right up on our asses. People are now sitting on the concrete, laying on the concrete. That's very uncomfortable, just so you know. Oh, there's a garbage can. This is crazy. They're coming closer, guys. Everybody is coming closer. There's JoJo. Look at behind us. Insanity. So guys, we've been out here since 1 p.m. Joe and I came out. We got the spots. We actually got the loungy chairs and stuff, which is nice. So we've been able to sit here and sun ourselves. We're probably going to be burnt up like lobsters and stuff, but we have a perfect view and we're off the ground. So that's even better. It's about, what time is it now? It's like 7 o'clock. So we'll probably start our live stream maybe like around 8:15 or so. But I think it's going to be really fun. I'm excited. It's going to be 5 barges of fireworks. Hey, everybody. Definitely here. 4th of July fireworks. I'm recording it and also live, because I don't know if the live is working. But we have the FDNY, New York's fire department, coming down the river. We are directly across from the UN. Oh my gosh. So we're actually right in front of like one of the barges, which is right where that thing is. The reception is incredibly spotty. But look at how cool is that. The view is fabulous. A lot of people are going to be on the Manhattan side viewing it, but I wanted to see Manhattan in the background. Look. Flyover. Here comes a flyover. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wow. Oh my God. Yes. excited. He's excited. This is like the little mini pre-show, guys. Pre-show. You know, Joe was happy until people decided to start sitting on his bench with him, and he's ready to lose it. He's like now playing games on his phone to keep his mind calm. He's trying. I think right now he's repeating a mantra. He's trying. Like, y'all. Like asses, like literally, guys, asses and elbows. Lauren's keeping her shoes off so that people won't sit down. Because he wants to sit by someone's naked feet.
So far.
It's self-preservation. Guys, this is what I do for you. Oh my God. I can't. Like, do you see all of this? Do you see all of this? It's like, oh my God. Anymore. What's going on over there, baby?
My lifeboat's going down.
Going down? Oh no. You're gonna have to vote somebody off the island.
That's abandoned ship.
Walk the king plane.
I'm gonna get overrun.
He's trying to take up as much space as he can on his own thing. It's so damn funny. Oh my God. He's got the cooler bag, the Yeti, and he's trying to extend his body as far as he can. It's like, oh my God, Joseph. I can't. Lauren over here is still using the barefoot kind of thing. It's keeping people away. Like, it's literally everybody is around us. Like, I can't even explain it to you guys. It's insanity. Wait, Lauren, remember? Just make sure it doesn't fall. Remember, Lauren? I told you what? I said, when you were like, oh, it's so many people here. And I told you, oh, this ain't nothing. This is nothing yet. You got to wait, and it turns into absolute insanity. You're lucky you got a space. Lauren, if we didn't have these, do you know what would happen? We would. Lauren's cracking me up. She said, I said, you know, if we didn't have these lounges, what would we do? And she goes, we would leave. Oh, somebody proposed. She said yes. Upriver, you can see everybody's boats and yachts and everything, and they come out to watch. In the background, that is the Queensboro Bridge. And over here, you can see the Pepsi-Cola sign.
Over here's Joe.
Hey, wait! Oh no! There's Joe! Look at Joe! And all the people! He's so comfortable! He's got a pillow. I can't. We're just waiting. But what's nice is that we're above everybody else.
Oh, my ship is coming into port.
Joe's at the bow of his ship. You're going inland. You're going to crash. You're so tough. I can't. You're ridiculous.
I'm gonna rest it.
Joe has had about 5 naps today.
I had my poker time, my rest time, my nap time, my drink time.
He had snacky time.
Snack time, I had hot dogs.
I couldn't believe I forgot about the hot dogs.
Diet Coke.
I got him a Diet Coke. I'm trying to pamper him, guys.
I saw the fireboats. I saw the fireboats. Helicopter.
Saw the fountains.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
It's fed by time.
No. Guys, I met a cute little friend over here. They're from Spain. They've moved to New York, and she's sharing my bench. She's super cute. They've never seen the fireworks for real here, and I'm excited for her to check it out. It's getting darker. We can already see way out in the distance over here that Jersey has been setting off their fireworks. They've been very low on the horizon, just above the buildings. But you got the Macy's barges out. Look at it, Manhattan, guys.
I told you you're 1,000.
Looking fine. Yay! Here's the Queensboro. Right across from us is the UN. You can see the Empire State Building right there with the blue spire. And then down the river, you can see the barges. There's one here, one there, and then there's 3 more. So I'm gonna back up a little bit on my lounge. There's so many people here. There we go, guys. Here it goes. Whoa, here it goes. Yes! Happy 4th of July, guys. It is the coolest thing ever. Guys. So good to see this. You guys remember when we saw the NYC Open? That was one barge. This is 5. I hope you guys like it.
Yes. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Beautiful. Do you see it, Joe?
Oh, yeah.
It's been going off the building. Every so often you'll see it go off the Empire State Building. Off the building. It's crazy. There. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. We're not done yet. Oh my God. There we go. That's a little intermission. There we go, more. They're massive. Guys, they're massive. Everybody's just doing their selfies. I love it. Happy 4th, guys. So far, we're 10 minutes in. Just beautiful. Come, some big ones. Like just when everybody thinks it's over, it's never over. For a better night. It's comfortable, it's cool, clear skies. to like back up. Don't be crushing on me.
I didn't, first of all, nobody touched me. Well, I said sorry when I came up. Relax. Like, ain't nobody even touched you. Calm down. I didn't do that. She said, oh, don't be disrespectful. I didn't touch you. I calmed the fuck down. I said sorry when I came up. Without even touching your ass.
Joe can't even see because of what's in front of me. Yeah. Do you see Joe? Just when you think it's over, it's never over. hope everybody enjoyed that. Now it's dark. We're gonna have to wait to move to get out because we are towards the front. And there's about, I don't know, 10,000 people behind us. So we're not going to be getting to the car anytime. Bye. Did you like it? I'm so glad it was like the first one to see here. Yeah, enjoy.
Thank you too. Take care.
You too. Yeah. Be careful getting out. I think I'll just stay up here for a little bit. How are you, JoJo?